Welcome to ColorGATE. In this video, we will show you step by step how to get started with your ColorGATE software if you have a license with USB key. The first step is to register as a user. Please go to colorgate.com. Click on Support. Click on Login/Register, and then on Register Now. Enter your email address and set a password. Click on Next and enter the required information. Click on Register and on OK. Afterwards, you will receive an email from customer service at colorgate.com. Please click on the activation link in this email to finalize your user registration. If you do not receive an email from customer service, please check your spam folder. As soon as you receive another email confirming that your user registration has been successfully completed, you can log into the ColorGATE support site with your account data. The next step is to register your ColorGATE product. To do this, please go to colorgate.com and click on Support. Click on Login/Register and log in with the account data you specified during user registration. Click on Product Registration and enter your license number. You find the license number on the USB dongle you received from ColorGATE. You can optionally add additional email addresses in case you want other people to be notified, for example, when the license is updated or expires. When you click on Next, you see the summary of your license. Click again on Next and select the printer you are using with this license. If you have already selected your printer, you can now change it if necessary. Click on Next. In this last step, you will see a summary of your license. Please check your details. If they are correct, click on Register Now. Your product is now successfully registered, and it is listed on our support site under Menu, Account and Licenses. Tab Licenses. Click on the license number and all details are displayed on the right-hand side. The next step is to download and install your ColorGATE software. Go again to the ColorGATE support site and log in. Click on Download and Installation. Click on Software and select your software, Production Server or FilmGate. At the top of the list, you will find the installer for the latest version. Click the download icon to download this software version. Start the installer and follow the instructions. In the license type selection step, please make sure to select USB key. For some printers, you need additional software components. These can be found on our support site. Click on Download and Installation, Software, and activate the filter Printer Related to see all available printer-related software components. If your printer is operated via USB, you may also need to install the printer driver provided by the manufacturer. You can now start your ColorGATE software, but please note that it is initially limited in time. It will become permanently valid once the corresponding payment has been received and you have updated your dongle. This will be described in Step 5. When you start the software, please ensure that your USB dongle is connected to your computer. The prerequisite for the unlimited availability of the software is that you have accepted your value pack. So, if you have not yet accepted it, or if you are unsure whether you have, please go to our support site and log in. click on Menu, Account and Licenses, and go to the Licenses tab. Click on your license. If a value pack expiration date is displayed under Support option, you have already accepted your value pack, and you can proceed with updating your product so that it is permanently available. If not accepted is displayed under Support option, Terms and Conditions, you have not yet accepted your value pack. In this case, you must click on the Accept button before your software can be used without any time restrictions. In the last step, you need to update your dongle so that it is unlimited in time. Once we have received payment for your software and have checked your product registration, we will remove the time limit on your license, and you will receive an email about a new license file. After receiving this email, please start the ColorGATE software. A dialog is displayed to start the Key Update tool. Click on Start Update, and the Key Update window is displayed. If Key Update does not start automatically, start it manually at C, Program Files, x86, ColorGATE Software, Production Server or FilmGate, keyupdate.exe. If your computer is connected to the internet, click on Download License File in the Key Update window. Then click on Update Attached Dongle. If your computer is not connected to the internet, go to a computer with internet connection and visit the ColorGATE support site. Log in. Click on Menu, Account and Licenses, and open the Licenses tab. Click on your license, and then on Download License File. Transfer the license file to the computer on which the ColorGATE software is running, for example, using a USB stick, and click on Open License File in the Key Update window. Select the license file, and click on Update Attached Dongle. We recommend saving the license file so that it is available even if you do not have internet access. Click on End Program. Your dongle is now connected with your license file, and your license is available without any restrictions. Now, you are ready to work with your new ColorGATE software. When you start the software for the first time, the Setup Assistant opens. It provides you with the most important steps for working with the ColorGATE software. You find more details about this dialog and about the software in general in the online help. You can open it directly from within the program by pressing the F1 key. For further information on getting started with your new ColorGATE software, please read our Getting Started guide. You can find it on our website under Manuals. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team via customerservice@colorgate.com. Don't forget to include your license number. We wish you much success with your new ColorGATE software.